Window treatments can add a stylish touch to any room while providing privacy. In this video, we will show you how to install them. Here are some tools you will need. To begin, measure the width of your frame at the top, middle, and bottom, and select the smallest measurement. Repeat these steps for measuring length and depth and select the longest measurement. These measurements will allow you to choose the appropriate size and then get your blinds trimmed to width for free at your local Menards. Position the first mounting bracket in the corner of the window frame. Mark the screw locations for each bracket. Pre-drill each of the windows before securing the mounting brackets. Use your drill to make pilot holes where you marked. Then, secure the brackets with the screws. Next, grab your blinds and install your valance clips on your headrail. Slide the blind into the mounting brackets and attach the wand stem and valance. Ensure your blind is secure and try it out. That's it. You've made a fresh new look for your room. Thanks for watching.